In this video, you'll learn how to create a grocery website with a subscription system using WordPress. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up your site efficiently and effectively. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. Locate the option labeled Sites on the home page. This is typically found in the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the site's dashboard. Next, look for the button that says Create with AI. This option will usually be prominently displayed, making it easy to find. After selecting this, you will be taken to the AI site builder. Once you are in the AI site builder, find the option that reads Laying the Foundations. Clicking this will initiate the foundational setup of your website. Wait for a moment as the system processes your selection, which may take a few seconds. After this, you should see a prompt that says, make a website as unique as you. This message indicates that the AI is ready for the next input. Take a moment to review the information presented before proceeding. Now, type in the phrase, create a grocery website with a subscription system into the provided text field. This input is crucial as it helps the AI understand the specific type of site you wish to create. Once you have entered the text, look for the button that says Enter and click it. Following that, a message will appear confirming that WordPress.com can create a grocery website with a subscription system. This confirmation reassures you that the AI has recognized your request. Review the details before moving on. Next, type in the choice given above, which may pertain to specific themes or functionalities for your grocery site. After entering your selection, remember to click on Enter once again to confirm. You will then see a message stating, great, this works well on WordPress.com. What should your website be called? This prompt asks for the site title that will appear in the browser tab. Enter the desired name and proceed by clicking Enter once more. After entering the site name, you will be prompted to type in a tagline or description for your website. This tagline is important as it defines what your site offers to visitors. Once you have crafted a suitable tagline, again, click on Enter to proceed. Following this, select the option labeled Create My Site. This action begins the creation process. You will see a message indicating that your site is being prepared, which may take a few moments depending on the system's load and your internet speed. When prompted with a message saying, please wait, your site is brewing, it indicates that the system is currently working on generating your website. Be patient, as this process can take some time, especially if your internet connection is slower or if the server is busy. As the system generates your site, you will notice a progress indicator or message that states, this might take a while. This is a normal part of the setup process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during this phase. Once the generation is complete, you will receive a confirmation that your grocery website with a subscription system has been successfully created. At this point, you can begin customizing your site further to suit your needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.